Hi everyone. Welcome back. I just recently posted this new article on my Zero Power Platform newsletter edition 2. This was about the error that we get on PowerPage website, right? A lot of times while working on dev as well as production level, we get stuck on this particular error message, and the message is so generic that it's very difficult for us to decode, right? So when I remember when I started out, I was also on the same page with this particular user Vinay. Thank you so much for posting this on the PowerPage community. And yeah, like even he was struggling through the same. So I just like to put this forward. I'll show you what I'm exactly talking about. So like you can see, I get this message very often at times, right, when a new update is coming up, or I have worked on a particular thing a long back, and somehow there's heavy usage, or maybe the authentication key has expired, something or the other comes up, right? So I'll give you proper solutions that is going to work for you, right? If you follow this three steps, three processes, your solution should be solved. So the first one is your website authentication key. So what you can do is you can come to Power Platform, right? Admin Center, and under Manage, you'll get your Power Page site. If you click on it, you'll find this website authentication key. As you can see, at the time of recording this video, I do have my website authentication key, not expired. So in case if yours is expired, you can click on this update key, right? And you can just click on OK, right? So that was first one. Now coming to second one, what happens a lot of times, we don't provide proper site settings. Trust me on this, a lot of times we mismatch between the set name, logical names, and the schema names. Just make a proper use of this particular entities. Finally, coming to the third one, for this you need to create a Azure Blob storage. If you're working on a production level, you will have access to it. And yeah, the video to this creating a Azure Blob storage is also on my channel. I'll provide the link below. So what you do is you can open the storage account of your Blob storage. Storage account is nothing but your Blob storage account only, right? I'm talking about. So now once you open it, you just scroll down to your access keys under the security plus networking section, and just refresh it. It's better to refresh it that way. Okay, so yeah, there will be a connection string and there will be a key. A lot of times people do copy the key, and that is not correct. What you need to do is you need to copy the connection string. Once copied, enable your diagnostic logic under your site actions, the drop down, right? You can set a retention period, right? And yeah, just let's enable it, and that is so simple. You will get your diagnostic logic, and you won't believe this is such a miraculous thing. If you have access to Azure Blob storage, I'll show you a simple example. So as you have noticed that I was facing a small error, right, on the Power Page portal, right? So what I'll do is I'll again log into my Blob storage account. I'll look for my storage browser and Blob containers, right? In this container, you will see a lot of errors are there, but do choose telemetry logs. That is the one that will have your result. So this is the site. Just keep on clicking. Yeah, folder 15 maybe. Yes, this is the one. How do I know? I'll tell you how. Just click on it and download this CSV file. This will be a .csv file. Just download it and open it. Trust me, it will give you the exact details that you're looking for. I prefer this approach every time. Okay, so message is here. Double click on it. So see, it is mentioned properly. Invalid path, string site setting value for the site setting authentication application. Now so invalid path is the one. I'll go to site settings. Maybe I'll go to, okay, this was about the multi-step, right? So I'll have to go to multi-step forms. Yes, just a second. Yes, okay. So multi-step form 1 is the only form I have on this trial account, right? So as you can notice one thing, C1 is a condition step that I have misplaced intentionally just for this video. But yeah, this is the one reason that most of the times we face issue. If you notice, step 1 is just first step, right? But if you see, the next step is mentioned as step 1. As per the condition, the next step is mentioned as step 23 if the condition fails, right? And yeah, that is the main issue regarding this error. And yeah, that's how you can diagnose your issues on your Power Page platform, right? Trust me, one thing is very important. You have to disable the diagnostic logging after you get these results, right? It is going to use your every time you're triggering an action on Power Page. Otherwise, the blob storage is going to use that, and yeah, it is a pay-as-you-go model that I'm using, and I don't think this is available on your trial account model, right? Okay, that's it. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Good day.